Namaste, people. Welcome to the show Get Set Green. I'm your host Pooja R V. This podcast was created as a part of Podcast Lab by India Film Project in association with Anchor by Spotify. Today, I will tell a story about a person who is a former banker, now a visionary entrepreneur, Mr. Yogesh Shinde. He started the Bamboo India social entrepreneurship in 2016 to provide solution to traditional plastic toothbrushes by using bamboo. They work in collaboration with native farmers. Bamboo India manufactures various products like bamboo toothbrushes, corporate gifts, straws, speakers, and much more. By doing this, they have nearly saved 14.78 lakh kgs of plastics going into landfills. They have got recognition by United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan for their considerable work in this area. A perfect and safer substitute to plastic. A warm welcome to our show, sir.
Yeah, hi Pooja. Thank you so much for this lovely introduction and giving me an opportunity to interact with you. So thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
Sir, can you please tell us the journey of Bamboo India? And also how you reinvented yourself to come up with almost 200 new products so as to meet the demands of market.
Yeah. So first of all, that idea is not initiated in a one day, or there are lots of incident happens. Since my schooling, I was planning to do something my own, but I was from a middle class background, so definitely I was having my own aspiration, like joining, working with some multinational company, going abroad for work, travel across the globe. Those are my smaller dreams, initial days, and but at the same time, I was also looking for something to start my own, to put my idea into products or idea into something which can help people and boost Indian economy or something innovative. That is what it was in my initial in my mind. And over the period of time, when I grow, my initial all dreams got fulfilled in a very short period of time. Like I got an opportunity to working with companies like Barclays, working with Tech Mahindra, T-Mobile, and then I thought, okay, let's if the God is very it's good for me, or it's very kind to me that giving me so much opportunity in initial days. So definitely there is some reason, and might be something big is happening from my hand. So this is what I started feeling, and the same time the global warming buzz was started creating, the farmer suicide in India is increasing. So I thought, okay, let's concentrate or let's target this point, or only talking on this issue is not important, or just talking to the solution is not important, just to demonstrate what as a person I can contribute. So that's why I decided to leave my job. I came back to India. I started exploring various ideas, various opportunity, and then one day while exploring all the opportunities, I came across bamboo. Pune is blessed with a huge amount of bamboo surrounding villages and all. So I thought, let's start working, studying this area. And then while studying, I met so many good people like Mr. Vinay Kolteji or Heman Bedekarji. And then I started, bamboo is having a huge potential, and I should start working in this and at least show some case study in front of the society that a simple bamboo is considered as a poor man's timber. So can we convert that poor man's timber to wise man's timber by creating something innovative things? Because as you know, bamboo is world's fastest growing grass. Similarly, we being world's second largest bamboo growing country, we are still importing lots of bamboo products from China, Vietnam. So I thought this is a good opportunity to create a good market and a good reputation for about India to the globe. So there are lots of things happens, and I came with various ideas. Like started with the gifting articles, then while studying that, I found bamboo toothbrush. I started bamboo toothbrush manufacturing, and now in last 5 years we had enough experience. Now we can create lots of entrepreneurs. We can create the opportunity for the betterment of the farmers, and the things are started moving. So I'm very happy that these things happens just because of me or my team, and it's good for India as well.
Yes, definitely. Actually, it's well, like it gives me immense pleasure to see that growing entrepreneurs in India and local, going local, so that our circular economy is one thing which is like important factor we should consider. And on the other side, we should also concentrate on circulating the money inside our economy so that we can grow whole as a nation. That was clearly a good point to say. And one more thing, sir, when as you mentioned that you were working in collaboration with farmers and all. So how exactly did you like convince them to do this? Because see, in India, farmers they know they produce so much. As you mentioned, we are the second largest producers. So there must be a drawback or setback in which is causing us not to be like we are being an importer rather than we exporting our stuffs, like since we have so much production. So how can you like exactly say that what is the lacking thing which was there in India?
Actually, the main problem was with the Indian Forest Act 2019-27. So
Okay.
initial the Forest Act was set up like that. So one act of this Bamboo Forest Act was saying bamboo is a grass, and one act was saying bamboo was a tree.
Correct.
There was a confusion between forest department and the farmers. So that's why even if I grow bamboo, it was very difficult to cut that bamboo and start using by my own. So there are lots of transportation permission required, cutting permission was required, and there are so many litigations was happened because of this. People, some people found themselves in the prison while cutting bamboo. So,
Correct.
but sincerely thanks to our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, that government took decision to change that classification from bamboo as a tree to bamboo as a grass. So now cutting bamboo is not a problem at all. Transportation bamboo is not a problem at all. You don't need to take a permission from the forest department, and so life is become very easy. So
Okay.
that is the best thing government already considered and make this happen. So now to convincing the farmers, it's very easy. Earlier it was difficult because of the law, but now
Okay.
uh, farmers are very like they are looking for such kind of opportunity. And in terms of bamboo, now they are getting this opportunity, especially the state like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kolkata, and Seven Sisters, obviously. So those are very much bamboo grown, proven country states actually. So that's why now no need to educate farmers because farmers know the potential of bamboo, but just because of this law, they were get stuck
Okay.
into that law.
Okay.
And the second most important, like the people like me now, we traveled across the globe. We know the bamboo market, and our farmers are best known to how to grow the bamboo. Our artisans know what kind of a product we should make. Now it is our responsibility, the entrepreneurs like us, to give them a vision, give them an opportunity, ideas to make that kind of product which can sell into the market. Because if I ask you what are the things you can made out of bamboo, so people only says ladders, bamboo art and craft, bamboo furniture, bamboo cottages. That's it.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
but, but if you see the bamboo, there are more than 1,800 known bamboo products are used worldwide. So
Okay.
bamboo tooth, which is one of the products, like bamboo water bottle. So this is bamboo water bottle is also there. Bamboo toothbrush, that is also there. So there are huge amount of products are available in the market now. People are able to understand. So while using bamboo, So we are targeting lots of areas. Like you correctly said, circular economy is one of the major goal by United Nations. Then no poverty is one of the major goals. So with the help of bamboo, with the help of circular economy, we can achieve that goal. So we have bamboo, we have artisans, we have a world's best market, we have best brain in the world. So if all come together, then we can achieve this target by our own. We don't need any foreign funding, or we don't need any foreign company to educate about that, because we already given so much to the world, and now it is again our time to give something to the world again.
Yes, yes, right. Well said. Sir, I was about to ask the same thing. Like, during the initial days of setting up Bamboo India, like since you are from humble background, I we can understand that you might have setbacks regarding the financial what maybe like issues or other things. There might be even other challenges also, getting the permissions, it may be, or setting up the team, or collecting the artisans who are well and good with design. So, how did you tackle these issues in your early days?
Yeah, actually, I consider myself is very fortunate.
Okay,
I have not faced much challenges as I was expected during my
okay,
initial days. uh, our customer base or Indian people are so kind that they accepted this product open heartedly. Only the
great.
challenge was changing the mindset, because
Okay,
we are using toothbrush since birth, right?
yes,
And
yes,
it was a habit. To change your current habit, it is very difficult. So that is the
right.
mindset was a challenge for us. Funding, definitely, every business need funding. Even Mukesh Ambani also looking for funds, right? So it is not like everyone is having money their own. So it is a matter of how you collect the money, how you get the money from the market. I approach market, I approach bank, I approach government, but unfortunately, there was no such business was in the past. So they
Correct,
were not very much comfortable to giving me the loan. So
right.
that's why I started with my own funding, started with my approaching my parents, I approaching my family friends, my very close ones, and then I got the money, and the wheel start rotating, and now the wheel is having sufficient speed that we don't require funds anymore. So we are self-reliant, and now we are helping, not only we are self-reliant, but we are also helping others to grow with our own funding.
That's good to know, sir. It's a great journey, I can say. You have got a very good support, like family support and our friend circle, so that to help you establish such a huge organization. That's good to know. So third thing is that when we speak about toothbrushes, it accounts for the huge landfill, like it accounts for the great and landfill quantity. That is because, as we know, that it consists of various copolymers which go into the manufacturing process of a one toothbrush. So right now your company is making sure that you are not using bisphenol, that is BPA, and making it an efficient one by using the ergonomic designs of that toothbrush. So can you please throw some light on particularly toothbrush things and explain our audience more about it?
Yeah. So the toothbrush journey is very interesting,
Yes.
because initially it started with various gifting articles, but
Okay.
after some time, those gifting articles like bamboo speaker or bamboo desk organizer, they are good products, but they have a limited market opportunity,
Correct.
because they are not must to have product.
Yes.
So we thought, okay, target such kind of a product which people can buy often, like some kind of a FMCG. And then while brushing one day and while researching, I came across bamboo toothbrush. And when I started studying that, I came across some horrible facts. Why horrible? Because plastic toothbrush is one of the largest plastic pollution content.
Yes.
Only in India, 20 crore plastic toothbrush every month we are throwing into garbage,
Garbage.
and that going through the recycling method, because there is no such kind of a recycling mechanism available right now in our society.
Right.
People do reuse plastic bottles, plastic carry bags. It's easily because it is already the recycling pattern is already developed. But unfortunately, brush even today also nobody consider plastic toothbrush is a waste because they say okay, brush is a very small piece of plastic. What can that? How much pollution it can create? But it is not about me or you. It is all about 100 crore people. They are using plastic toothbrush every day in the morning.
Correct.
So cumulatively, a huge impact we are putting on the landfill. So when I thought of this, I just started studying. I realized India's more than 75% plastic toothbrush market is dominated by a multinational brands. Okay, I don't want to name. Everyone knows
Okay.
which
Yeah.
brands are there.
Fine.
So automatically, we are by using their products, we are pouring money to the other countries. We are not
Correct.
utilizing that money for our own India. So I thought this is the best opportunity to create awareness because the plastic toothbrush, this bamboo toothbrush can solve many purposes. First, it will reduce the landfill because right now 97% of the brush is made from bamboo. Okay, except bristles, everything is natural, biodegradable, compostable. So,
Yes.
so that is the best part. Like if you start using bamboo toothbrush, then we are directly helping to the farmers because
Correct.
in India now there is nothing called as a corporate bamboo farming available. All bamboos are available with the local farmers. So
Yes.
when we buy bamboo toothbrush, we are directly putting money to the farmer's pocket. And what I realized in my 5 years tenure in this field, our farmers are very respectable community. They don't
Correct.
need sympathy. They don't need anything free. They need a response. They need a respected life. They need a dignified life. Just giving them an opportunity to deserve because they deserve a better life like us.
Yes.
Okay,
Definitely.
so can buy this kind of product, the alternative products. Initially, it will be a little pinch to our pocket, but that pinch is not that much great, but that amount of. So right now, our major profit or major expenditure is happening just to feed the farmers, just to buy the material from them. So that is the beauty of this business. And if you start making this bamboo toothbrush popular, and even if you and one more thing, like as I said, 20 crore toothbrush we are throwing into landfill, so which accumulate around 250 crore bamboo plastic toothbrush every year we are throwing into garbage. So by using this product, bamboo toothbrush, we are not only feeling reducing the landfill, we are helping farmers, we are helping environment, we are growing more bamboos, the new sector is coming, new business are coming, and everything is win-win situation. There is nothing lost to everyone because normally what happen if you start something start business, we are sharing the market, but here we are not sharing the market because we are creating a completely new market. So that is the best part of this business. And now as you correctly said, we saved more than 14.8 lakh kilogram of plastic waste just starting this simple bamboo toothbrush product.
Yes.
And with the help of this product, we are targeting in next couple of years, every year we want to save 1 million kilogram of plastic waste just to use this kind of a products.
That's really a great conscientious contribution to our society to give it back that to reduce so much amount of plastics ending up in landfills. That is so great. It's too good, sir. It was good to know. We are at the end of the session. I want you to tell three things about sustainability, like overall, so that our audience can understand it in your point of view, like regarding sustainability.
Okay, actually, honestly speaking, I am not that much experienced in this field, but yeah, what I experienced so far. So sustainability is not only posting pictures on Instagram or Facebook.
Correct.
Okay. So sustainability, yeah, sustainability means you should use that product which can degrade easily, which can reuse easily, which can bio compost easily. So just like bamboo toothbrush or some fabrics which is eco-friendly, not using, try to avoid a plastic as much as possible. I'm not against plastic. I'm a great fan of plastic. Plastic is a very wonderful material, but try to use an alternative, because I'm not saying stop using plastic. Just try to reduce.
Yes,
If there is
correct.
an alternative available in the market, go for it.
Yes.
There are lots of now it's a trend to buy new things, because earlier in my childhood we only buy clothes once in a three times in a year, one for the birthday, one for the Diwali, and one for only any other marriage or any occasion. But
Yes.
right now now people are buying clothes like anything, like every week they are buying three clothes. Okay, so try to use your existing clothes. Don't throw it away. Don't, if you can reuse that, because that is also one kind of a sustainability.
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
just because fashion goes in this direction, don't try to use so many clothes, because to make a fabric, huge amount of water are getting used, and
Yes.
we are right now running out of water in many cities like Cape Town. You must be heard, like they are, the municipal corporation declared
Yes.
that they don't
Uh,
have enough stores. So like this situation should not happen to us. So
yes.
that's why I try to use those products which consume less water, is consume these are natural products, so that at least utilizing those products is directly impact to the farmers, impact to the lower part of the society, and it's a sharing, it's a win-win situation. If you start using this product, you are sharing your happiness with them,
Yes.
and this is the way, or this is the sign of the civilized society, and we are the the world leader in those kind of products, the sustainability in our blood. So we are using leaf plates since ages, right? But and now the European companies or German companies, they are introducing to us the leaf plates. So I think there is no, we are using leaf plates since ages.
Yes.
So I think don't try to get influenced or impressed by the Western world. We are already superpower. We are already demonstrate a lot of things. We are giving the example to the world. So by using our local products, Atmanirbhar Bharat will be it will be increased. Made in India will increase. Vocal for local things will increase. So all those are part of sustainability. So start importing, start exporting. Be a local. So that is, I think, the sustainability for me.
Sir, it was a huge amount of information you gave about sustainability. I think it was really good enough amount of information for our audience. And thank you, sir. Thank you for coming to the show. It was, I am really privileged to talk to you.
Yeah, I wish you all the best for your upcoming podcast. You are doing a
Thank you.
fantastic job, because at your age, I was not aware that this kind of a to meeting so many people and sharing their idea to the rest of the world. That is a huge contribution for this sustainability. So thank you for you and your entire team. Thank you so much.
Thank you for doing this. Thank you everyone for your active listening. If you want to know more about Bamboo India, you can check out their website www.bambooindia.com. If you have any insights and suggestions about the podcast, you can mail me at prv480172@gmail.com. And also, you can connect with me on my Instagram handle at Namaste People. We'll meet next week with new stories. So, stay tuned.